Hello guys, you are most welcome to our OJPRD once again, and today in this video I am going to show you that how the future of 2030 is going to handle by a electric car in all over the market. It's mean here the Simon is a company here which is also working for developing a design and product for the electric car. If you are interested to take a participate in this Simon to just give your something innovative role, so directly you can just put your access as a guest by filling this form completely. After that, you would like to know about that what the company is going to develop related resource, which is ABI research. Simon's portfolio ranked overall leader in industrial simulation. There are webinars which you already going to be connect, white paper, heavily equipment durability and structural integrity, and all the related effects about this Simon working for the electric project. So if you are running your project, or maybe you are thinking to just collaborate with a electric product of the vehicles for 2013, so let's begin. Join this Simon. So here is the form, you can directly fill it and just apply for it to take the participate for the manufacturing and designing of the electric car. So if you enjoyed this video a lot guys, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will continue with the next video. Bye bye, take care.